Only thing, when I check the level on the bottom. Hi, and welcome back. I think today we're going to clean off the welds on the inner rocker that we put on, making sure when we do that none of them pop loose, especially on the brace on the side of it, and start cleaning more welds across the back, the pan, and up the transmission tunnel. If we get enough of it kind of cleared down and looking nice, we may paint it. Not sure, it's kind of cold out here this morning, and two, not really feeling too great, so probably keep it on the shorter side. Just getting a little bit done, but I do want at the end of the video to kind of go over my goals for next year with the Bronco and the truck. Do want to wish y'all a happy New Year's. I know that's be tomorrow. Anyways, let's sit over there and I'll kind of show you what we're gonna do today. All right, that's where we left it. The goal is to knock these welds down flush through here and get these up here looking better, and may get these through here and work on the transmission tunnel. But if we get this knocked down pretty good, if I spray it with some of that rust reformer if it warms up out here. But need to do a lot of cleaning. And two, we're gonna put a few tack welds in here to keep this from just moving around. That's all I plan on doing today, other than going over what we're gonna try to accomplish this next year for the Bronco and the International back here. So let's go ahead and get started. That way we can I can get to work. All right, we got this ground down pretty smooth. I think the kick panel will fit up nicely to this. Up through here, we got it ground down. Looks kind of bad, but a little paint will help that. We got this tacked, so it won't be flopping around. Only thing, when I checked the level on the bottom, it wasn't level, so we may have to come back and cut the spot weld or these tack welds out, and especially right through here, trim this a little bit more and maybe push that up in the back a little bit. I think we got a little room on the outer rocker to kind of go back and forth with, so I think we might be okay. Then we start grinding these back down through here. Got pretty good. Grinder died, just need a new battery, but it's getting late in the morning. I need to get to work. Not bad, just same old, same old. Kind of want to talk about the goals for next year for the Bronco and the International now. Big goals in the Bronco. I want done are door pillars fit, outer rockers welded on, and door pillar welded on. Doors aligned right, have nice gaps. Fender for the passenger side. Get one of those so we can line the gap up with the door there, and start the finer details of body work. I try to get some of these dents out that we didn't on the tailgate, and just make sure the sides of it are nice and straight. I know this fender here needs some work, especially where I patched those little spots. Any more body work. I made up my mind if I'm going to farm that out. After I get the floor in and the inner rocker in and painted, I may farm the body work out to somebody else. I'm not sure. We'll have to see if the truck sells or not. If I do that, then we'll start working on the frame, getting it cleaned up, getting everything replaced in it. I think I got some new bushings over there and new rubbers and stuff like that to go in it. So hopefully by the end of this year, I hope to have the body off the frame, and then we can start attacking everything in here, getting it painted and looking nice. International, we're gonna pull the diesel out and see if anybody wants to buy it. I don't know if anybody will. Try to sell it. Depending on that truck sells back there in the GMC, we may try to find a straight six put in it. And this radiator here will work with a straight six. Just need to get it flushed and checked. Make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. So we have basically everything we need for the truck except for an engine. Transmission that's in it will work. Need to have a computer, electronics, stuff like that. Get a straight six, steering column should work. Don't know if I'm trying to get a new one of those or just use the one that's with it and get a new steering wheel. Not sure on that yet, but hopefully by the end of the year, hope to have that running. And if everything goes perfect, then I may be driving it, hopefully. So I gotta do a bunch of welding on the front suspension and rear suspension. I think finish the welds on that. Need to put a bed in it, which is gonna be a piece of plate steel. And the gas tank is gonna go in the back here, like a toolbox. And we'll run it, up underneath to the engine. And electrical work, which don't require much, for headlights, taillights. Don't really need a gauge with a speedometer cable. We can get gauges now that are GPS, so you can get one of those. And new tires, new wheels. But that's if everything goes good. And I sell the 50 Chevrolet and the C5 GMC short wide. Chevrolets are for sale right now. I had some people ask about it. Nobody's came through yet. Haven't put the 65 up. I'm gonna do that here in a few days. If you ever want those, let me know in the comments. Two, with Bronco, we may dive into the engine a little bit. It's on a stand in the very, very back. So we'll have to dig that out. Anyways, shop wise, clean up, get rid of a bunch of stuff, make it nice, usable. Right now it's not that usable, especially this area over here and right here in front of me, but we'll get things sold. But anyways, that's about all I got time for today. Hope y'all have a happy New Year's, be safe, and I'll see you next time.